What's going on YouTube? Mark Fleetwood here. Welcome back to the Daily Grind Trader. Today's video, I'm talking about XRP. I'm going to show you why I believe it is in a prime position to quite literally blow the roof off on price action. Let's get right into the charts. We're taking a look on the weekly time frame because we're looking at a macro. This is the large macro long-term swing starting to go into what we believe is going to be the next bull run starting at 24, 25. We know this, we know the cycle, we know that the bull run is starting. I think that we've got great evidence right now, just in the charts, just in the price action, to show that it's kind of starting right now. So we have this sell candle here with a bullish engulfing over it that closed out this past Sunday. So this closed out above the wick top of the previous sell candle. That makes this sell candle, as long as price does respect this area and we don't get a massive sell off back down below it, as long as price does respect this area, this is going to be our bullish order block. It looks like it's already in play because we're starting to get displacement to the upside off of it already. The next price that needs to be hit is these multiple relatively equal highs here at 55 cents. We close a day above 55 cents and we have broken structure and we have changed the character since coming down off of the deep retrace off of 95 cents and back down. We break these equal highs, we have changed the character of the chart, we have changed to a bullish character yet again, and I believe that once this character changes on the macro level to a bullish character, it's not going to go back. This is going to be it. Now these things do have to happen. They're yet to play out. Keep an eye on them. There's price targets to know. You don't want to see price come back and test the bottom of this wick. We don't want to see a wick down to 47 or even really 48 cents for that matter, because going through this and testing this will negate this being a proper order block unless it's a wick down and price still closes back above it, which is possible but not likely. The other potential is another wick right up to this area here at 55 cents and rejecting and coming back down. That would also negate this movement, but it's looking very promising, not only just XRP but the crypto markets in general. Everything is looking strong. It's looking like money is starting to flow back in, and as long as there's still some money flow coming in and we get some bullish pressure to the upside, we break 55 cents. This little very mini bearish order block here between 59 and 62 cents, I believe will flip very quickly. I believe price will come up and flip it and then make it a support area and make it a breaker block. I don't think this is a very strong block at all. I think, like I said, price just plows straight through it, makes it a breaker, comes back and retests it as a support, and then we go up and we see the big resistance area where price wicked up to and got rejected very quickly. 2 rejections off of this area after winning the case, and you see why. This last big buy candle here, rejection off, sell pressure came down hard, got back into it, rejected, and then rejected finally all the way down to the local lows. This was a low back in June of 2022, but every time this retest, so the block was created, it got tested, so more sell orders got taken out, got tested again, more sell orders got taken out, tested again, more sell orders got taken out. Eventually, this area here will no longer have enough sell orders to push price back down, and we will get through it. Now buyers have to stay strong, and if the market stays strong and generally more people are buying, then we will see that come to fruition. But it's just a matter of time before these areas get blasted through, because they're loaded up, or they have been loaded up with sell orders, just waiting, limit sells, just waiting. Price comes up, they're going to sell it down. Price gets up, they're going to sell it down. Price gets up, they sell it down. That's a high liquidity area right now. Once those sells are done this time through, I don't believe it holds again. I don't believe this area holds again. It might sit in it for a little bit, but when you see it come up and it's kind of consolidating in that area, that is a very, very, very strong sign, because there wasn't enough selling pressure to just straight up drop it back down. And that's what we're looking for. I'm looking for rather quickly, actually, within the next couple of weeks, to retest 80 to 95 cents. And when that happens, I think we will see the masses start turning over and really starting to say, okay, we are in a bull market, we are transitioning. I believe the transitional phase has already started, and we're seeing it now. We're seeing it with a weekly bullish order blocks starting to form. Weekly strong liquidity grabs, wicks down very low and then buying it right back up. Those areas of liquidity being taken out and being absorbed with buying pressure will show you that the bottom has been in. I made a video last night showing that on Link. It happened a few weeks back. It just took a while for it to really start taking off, and Link did take off very strong. So with that being said, guys, that's the video. Short and sweet, to the point, but keep an eye on XRP because it is ready to take the roof off. As always, guys, until next time, peace.